Very good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
sir.
So I hope my voice is audible to all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Yesterday we had completed schematic triggers. We had done the derivation part, that is VHY is equal to how much? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we would now proceed for the comparator characteristics. Please note down the comparator characteristics. The first characteristics of comparator is speed of operation. The first characteristics of comparator is speed of operation. Please note down the detailings. Output switches rapidly between saturation levels. The first point for the characteristics of comparator is speed of operation. Please note down, output switches rapidly between saturation levels and respond instantaneously or instantly, also responds instantly to any change of condition, to any change of condition at its input, and responds instantly to any change in condition at its input. That is bandwidth. That is bandwidth must be wider. Bandwidth must be wider. Higher the bandwidth, more would be the speed of operation. More would be or higher would be the speed of operation. Its speed, its speed improves with positive feedback. Its speed improves with positive feedback. The second characteristics is accuracy. The second characteristics is accuracy. It depends on accuracy depends on voltage gain, CMRR, input offset, and thermal drift. Accuracy depends on voltage gain, CMRR, input offset, and thermal drift. Second point, higher voltage gain, higher voltage gain requires smaller difference voltage, requires smaller difference voltage to cause the comparator output, to cause the comparator output to switch between saturation levels, to switch between saturation levels. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir. Complete.
Higher CMRR, higher CMRR would reject more common mode voltage would reject more common mode voltage, such as noise at the input, such as noise at the input. The third point is to minimize the offset problem. That is input offset voltage and output offset current would decrease. Would decrease. The next point is compatibility. The next point is compatibility. Please note down, since the comparator is a form of analog to digital converter, AD converter. Its output must swing between two logic levels. Suitable for a certain logic family. Like TTL. Now, the next application is clipper and clamper circuit. It is also known as precision AC or DC converters. In our experiments, we have already studied op-amp as a comparator circuit. Comparator means one input is a reference input, and to the other input we provide an input source signal. We compare the two signals, whichever is higher, either it goes to plus Vset or it goes to minus Vset. So, based on the same formula, please note down that in case of clipper and clamper circuit, note down an important point. Number one, op-amp is used as voltage follower. Op-amp is used as voltage follower. With D1 at feedback. Clipping level is determined by reference voltage. V reference, V ref must be less than V in. V reference must be less than V in. Should I repeat? I request you to kindly draw the circuit diagram. Yes, students. Should I repeat anything? Guys, you need to speak yes or no, except hate and Anubhav. Please speak yes or no.
No, sir.
Okay, Rishi. So please draw the diagram as well as the waveforms so that I can explain you the same. Once you have drawn, please do let me know.
Done, sir.
Students,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
students, what is your status? Please let me know.
Done, sir. Done, sir.
I'm waiting.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Sir, done, sir.
Yes, students, please let me know. What is the status? Have you completed your diagram?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
completed.
Anubhav?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. I hope my voice is audible to all. I am proceeding with the details of the diagram and the circuit. Please note down. Positive clipper. Is my voice audible, Himanshu? Moshin, my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
am I audible or not? Please let me know.
Sir, you are audible.
You are audible, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Positive clipper removes the positive half cycle of input using op-amp and diode D1. Using op-amp and diode D1. In the circuit, op-amp is used in the circuit. Op-amp is used as voltage follower. As voltage follower with a diode in the feedback path. With the diode in the feedback path. Clipping level, third point, clipping level is decided by, I repeat, clipping level is decided by V reference. Clipping level is decided by V reference. Next point. Next point. For positive clipper circuit, for positive clipper circuit, for positive clipper circuit, V reference is less than V in. For positive clipper circuit, V reference is less than V in. For positive clipper circuit, V reference is less than V in. Next point. Next point. During positive half cycle, during positive half cycle of input, during positive half cycle of input, diode D1 conducts until V in is equal to until V in is equal to V reference is equal to V reference. This next point, this happens because This happens because when V in is less than V reference, the voltage V reference at the negative input is higher than that of positive input. Hence, hence the output voltage V naught dash of op-amp becomes negative 2d1 into conduction. Next point, when D1 conducts, it closes the feedback loop and op-amp operates as voltage follower. That is, output voltage V naught follows input V in until V in is equal to V reference. When V in is, next point, when V in is slightly higher than V reference, the output V naught dash of op-amp becomes sufficiently positive, becomes sufficiently positive to derive or to drive D1 into cutoff, D1 into cutoff. As a result, as a result, I hope I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
As a result, feedback loop, as a result, feedback loop opens and and I repeat again, as a result, feedback loop opens and op-amp operates as an open loop. And op-amp operates as an open loop. Therefore, it further drives, therefore, it further drives therefore, it further drives its output V naught dash, its output V naught dash towards plus VCC, towards plus VCC. Next point, with D1 reverse biased, with D1 reverse biased, the output voltage, the output voltage V naught is equal to V naught is equal to V reference. When V in is greater than V reference, when V in is greater than V reference, V naught dash is approximately equal to V naught dash is approximately equal to plus VCC. and V naught is equal to V reference. And V naught is equal to V reference. Next point, when V in drops, are you all writing? Any doubts?
No, sir, no doubt.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Drops
Not up to.
below V reference. When V in drops below V reference, the output of op-amp, V naught dash again becomes sufficiently negative, to drive D1 into conduction. This closes the feedback loop. Hence, output follows the input. Next point, D1 is on. I repeat, D1 is on for V in less than V reference. For V in less than V reference. And diode D1 is off for V in greater than V reference. Output follows the input only when diode is on. Next point, the op-amp alternates between open loop and closed loop operation as D1 is turned off and on respectively. Students, this whole positive clipper circuit. Now, if I am talking about negative clipper circuit, then I would reverse the position of diode D1. Then I would reverse the position of diode D1. I hope you all understand.
Yes, sir.
Please let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understand complete.
Yes, sir.
Hello, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hel-
sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Heth, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Any point that was left
Hello.
out? The last point that I told was to reverse the position of diode D1.
Yes, sir.
So was it left out? Should I repeat?
No, sir, I have written that point.
Okay. Any doubts? Any other student? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. So guys, I'm going to stop the lecture over here. It was all about op-amp, clipper and clamper circuit. Next comes the rectifier circuit and the waveform generator circuits that we will discuss in our tomorrow's lecture, morning 11:30. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you. In case of any doubts, please do let me know.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I request
Thank you, sir.
I request A11 batch to kindly stay in the meeting. I request A11 batch to kindly stay in the meeting. Rest all may leave. A11 batch, please stay in the meeting. Rest all may leave.
Sorry, sir. A11 or C11?
A11, A for Aurangabad.
Thank you, sir.
Rest may leave. I request the present students to kindly unmute themselves.
Yes, sir.
Janvi, enrollment number 7. Hello. Janvi, enrollment number 7. Enrollment number 10. Hello.
Yes, sir.
બેટા શું તો આજે લેબમાં નથી આવ્યો?
સર બહાર જવાનું કીધું ઓફિસ હતા કામ.
લેબ ટાસ્ક કમ્પ્લીટ કરી લેજો. હું હમણાં WhatsApp ગ્રુપમાં થોડાક ટાઈમમાં તમને બધા ટાસ્ક જેટલા થઈ ગયા છે ને એ બધા અપલોડ કરી દઈશ. તમે બધા મટીરિયલ તમારી ડ્રાઈવમાં મૂકવાનું રહેશે.
ઓકે સર.
Enrollment number 7.
Yes, sir. Hello.
मैडम मैं ग्रुप में टास्क दे दूंगा क्योंकि आप लोग नहीं आए थे लैब्स में, तो जो टास्क
Yes.
हुए हैं उनको प्लीज ड्राइव पे अपलोड कर दीजिएगा.
Okay, sir.
ઓકે સર.
आप भी लैब में नहीं थे 7 नंबर.
Yes, sir. I had an internet issue.
ओके फाइन. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
થેન્ક યુ સર.
Thank
થેન્ક યુ
all.
સર.